Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm really sorry about the background noise that you're hearing. This is my fan and I don't have AC in this room and it is too humid out here. I cannot live without a fan. From tomorrow I'll be using my mic. Today all the setup is done, so I thought, I don't want to go upstairs now. So please guys, bear with me a little bit today. So guys, today I'm going to talk about the most trending product in social media now. I was really flattered to see their advertisements and they really got my attention to it, and it was really very attractive. So I'm talking about the Just Herbs Enriched Lip and Tint product. So this is a multi-purpose product and I'm going to talk about everything that this product has. Also I'm going to try and test this product, all of that the brand claims for. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. Before starting the video, if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi, I am Aloksha and I upload almost all kind of videos from starting to beauty, fashion, food, challenges, vlogging, everything. If it sounds good to you, please do subscribe to my channel, and at the end of this video, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also comment whatever you want. Also guys, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. All the products that I've shown you in my channel until now, all the products are purchased by me and I try very hard to give an honest review on a personal level and experience. Okay, now let's talk about the product. So this is the product I was talking about. The packaging looks great. It is a white tiny cartoon packaging and inside you get a balm kind of a container. This is a normal lip balm case. Honestly, when I was ordering this product, I was expecting the quantity to be little more. This is a 4 gram of quantity and according to the price, I don't think this is worth it, but we will see. We will see the other goodies that it has and we will try to judge overall. So let's talk about the detail of this product. This retails for $6.95. Also you get so many offers out there, so before ordering you just need to have a quick check where you are getting more offer from this. It has 4 gram of the product and this is 100% vegan, also made with natural and organic ingredients, and also this is free from parabens, silicone, SLS and beeswax, which is really great. This is really natural and not going to harm your skin. Also this is all skin type. So they came up with 6 shades and mine one is rose coral. I love the shade. Actually love all the shades that they have come up with, but I was hoping that if I go for 2 or 3 shades, what if I don't like the product. So I thought, let me try one first. So in case you want to check it out, I will give you the link in the description box. So let me tell you the key ingredients that it has. So it has Javitri, jojoba and rich starch. So these all has some or the other benefits that they claim for, skin benefits, but obviously if you're looking for a tint, I don't think you will look for a skincare benefit. You will only look up to the makeup thing, whether the tint is blendable, it is giving natural finish, whether we can build it up or not. So we are not going to actually see the skin benefit. I am not really going to review about that. They have mentioned all the ingredient list out here in the carton packaging itself, so you don't have to go in the side and check. Actually what made me buy this product was, first of all, the advertisement was really attractive and they caught me because this is a multi-purpose product and you can apply it on your lips, on your cheeks, and sometimes I saw you can apply it as a tint of eyeshadow on your eyelids, so which is great for me. I love multi-purpose products. Multi-purpose products are really helpful. You don't have to carry a bunch of makeup and go out there. If you have seen my Huda Beauty palette, that is a 5-in-1 palette and I carry it everywhere. If you haven't watched that video, I will give you the link in the description box. You can check it out. Yeah, so this is why I was attracted to this product. And I love lip tint. I apply lip tints every time, whether I don't go outside, I just stay at home and I apply lip tints, because whenever there is no tint in my lips, I look very lifeless. So that is the reason I love a little bit of tint on my lips, but also you can apply it on your cheek, you can apply it on your eyelids, and this is a great product for me in that term. So guys, it's time to try it out. I have removed my lipstick so that I can show you. And I also haven't applied any blush. Like you can see, I haven't applied any blush, I haven't applied any eyeshadow. Honestly, before making this review, I have tried it a little bit on my lips and also on my cheeks when I was with bare face. I have a little tint of foundation today, a little, like you can see the spots are visible. Let's start with my lips. It's really creamy, guys. I like my lips like this, you know, a little bit of tint, and it looks so natural. Whenever you want to go somewhere where you have to feel natural and you have to feel light, your lips won't be heavy with those lipsticks and all, you can always go on with these tints. I just used it yesterday and I just love this tint. So this is a natural thing. You can keep it like this if you want, or you can build it up. The most amazing thing of this product is you can build it up to an extent. You know, I will show you how much you can build it up. You can make it a lipstick kind of a shade. I really love the shade, by the way. I was really scared because when I saw the picture in Nykaa, it was like a rusty red color, but you know, it turned out to be a good rose color, you know, and I'm loving it. Oh my god, this is just looking like I have applied some kind of lipstick. And this is really lightweight. I'm not feeling anything that I have applied, and it's not uncomfortable at all, you know. It is feeling very light. Yeah, but there is a little thing that I want to say. Like you can see, there's a slight sheen. I am not having any issues with that. I can always powder it and make it less shiny. Also, I guess it is shiny because it is giving some kind of nourishment. If it would be total matte, your lips would flake and chap. So I think this is the right amount of creamy matte that they are claiming for. Okay, so now let's try it on our cheek. I already have so much of the product on my fingers, so I will first give some dots. I will also apply it a little bit on my nose and now blend it up with my fingers. You can also blend it with your brush. Wow, this is giving such a natural finish. And it is also giving a little sheen right here, if you can see. I have never tried, you know, any tint on my lips before, like tints like this or any, you know, cheap tint or something. But I'm really impressed. If you want light, dark, you know, you can build it up, you can lighten up, you can do it. It's all on your fingers and your brush. This is really blendable. And if you have applied a little more, like I have applied it here, so I'm going to take a beauty sponge and blend it more. This looks really natural, and it is giving a very cute pinky blush on my cheeks. I am really loving this product, guys. I'm definitely going to purchase more shades of this one. Now is the fun part. We are going to test it and we are going to see whatever the brand is claiming, whether it is true or not. First one, they say that natural lip cheek tint that blends easily and adds a natural flush of color, which we really saw, and I agree, this gives a very natural flush of color. So yeah, this is true. The second one is moisturizing tint that nourishes chapped and flaky lips. Definitely I'm not feeling that my lips are dried up until now. Definitely not feeling any chappiness, flakiness with my lips. Also I'm feeling very light. So okay, next one is gives a buildable sheen and is super light on your skin. Definitely we saw that this is super light. I'm not feeling like I've applied any heavy blush or lipstick. And also it is buildable, of course, that we saw how much it is buildable, and you can always lighten the product, you can always darken whatever you want to. So definitely it is buildable, it gives a little bit of sheen and also super light to your skin. Next one is stays on for at least 5 to 6 hours without the need of reapply. Okay guys, so the fun part is here. The last thing that they have claimed for, we are going to test that. I will just go upstairs, I will do my normal thing, I will have my lunch, I will do whatever I do normally, and then I will let you know after 5 to 6 hours if it actually claims what it says. So guys, the timing is now 1:47. I'll be right back after 6 hours. Bye bye. So guys, I wanted to let you know that what will I do in this 5 to 6 hours. I'm going to take a quick shower now. I will stay away from my face, of course. I will have a body shower. Okay guys, bye bye. Hey guys, I just had my shower and I'm back, and it literally slipped out of my mind that I forgot the eyelids, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I really wanted to try the eyelids, and here I am.
It's 2:31 now, so 1 hour late, I guess.
Okay guys, so let's try it. I'll be taking this on my brush. Okay, it is quite good. It is a little bit pink side. I am just going to give it some dark touch in the lining.
There you go. This looks quite pretty.
But this is creamy, so I really hope that it stays for long, you know. Okay, so far so good, but this is really creamy and it is giving a shine, like you can see. So I don't think this is going to stay for long, but we'll see. Okay guys, so that is it for the eyelids. Now I'll go and have my lunch done, and then I will meet you exactly after 6 hours. Bye.
I just had my lunch and I thought मेरा lipstick जो है it will rip off, but it's still on place. I so wanted to take a nap now because I'm feeling really tired and sleepy because I shot the whole day, but I cannot unfortunately because I'm wearing makeup and then foundation, and you never sleep with foundation, you never take a nap with makeup on. So yeah, I will do some kind of me stuff. I will see some TV shows and something, and then I will be right back.
I am back. So it's 8 o'clock now, and it's been 6 hours and 15 minutes since I haven't taken off my makeup. I've come across few mistakes that I have made, and like you can see, my face is looking a little oily. In summers I tend to get lots and lots of oil on my skin because of the humidity issues, and after a certain point of time it turns out to be a little bit greasy, which is like thoda chipchipa, and I am feeling that. And since I have applied the cheek tint and it is very light texture and also it gives that sheen, so I did not powder it. I should have powdered it because I know my skin and my skin gets this oil, and ये जगह पे ना it's a little more greasier than like usually जो मैं blush लगाती हूँ. It is little more greasier, and also the eye makeup is almost gone. As you can see, the crease के line पे सारा जो tint हम लोग ने लगाया है, you can see the crease. The texture is so thin and it is so oily. I don't think it will stick around like for 6 hours, at least for the eyes. But lips, dude, I swear to God, मैंने जब भी lipstick लगाया है, whenever I have my lunch, it comes out. It literally comes out. Maybe today I was conscious while having something because I was about to shoot that and it was on my mind. I don't know what is that. Yes, there is a slight difference, like lips के जो अंदर के जो tint है वो मैं खा चुकी हूँ. Obviously I had lunch and also I had snacks. I thought of filming the snacks part, but then Yuhan came and he just bumped in, and I know that if he sees tripod and stuff like that, he will go crazy. So I did not film that. Also, after a point of time, the shininess, the sheen that I've shown you that I don't like on the lips. It kind of absorbed to my skin, but also not feeling flaky, also not feeling chapped, which is amazing. Not great for the eyeshadow thing, but for the blush and for the lips, it is absolutely perfect. It looks very natural and very beautiful. I'm definitely going to repurchase. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.